Trust me, this is the most easiest problem, the most easiest word problem. And let's quickly go over this. We have this example: a ladder 10 feet long rests against a vertical wall. The best trick to solve such kind of word problem is to draw what's mentioned here so far. So we have a vertical wall, right? So a ladder 10 feet long rests against a vertical wall. So that means we have a ladder resting against the vertical wall. Okay, a person is definitely gonna fall if I'm going to draw a ladder like this. Okay, so we have this 10 feet long ladder rests against a vertical wall. Let theta be the angle between the top of the ladder and the wall. So that means theta is the angle. And let x be the distance from the bottom of the ladder to the wall. So everything is given clearly in this problem. And we are asked if the bottom of the ladder slides away, if this is going to slide away from the wall, how fast does x change with respect to theta when theta is equal to pi by 3? Okay, and if you remember, sine theta is what? Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, which is base x over 10 feet. Hypotenuse is given, right? 10 feet here. And we are trying to find how the fast does x change with respect to theta when theta is this. So we have this right here. Sine theta is equal to x over 10. And because we are solving for x, right? So then cross multiply this, right? So x is equal to what? 10 times sine of theta. And we have theta pi by 3. So x is equal to 10 sine pi by 3. And here we are doing the mistake. We are asked if the bottom of the letter slides away from the wall, how fast does x change? We have to find the derivative here. Do not just simply plug in the theta and solve this for x. Okay, and this is a common mistake. So we are going to do is take the derivative of x. So constant multiple rule applies here, right? So 10 is constant, and then we take the derivative of sine theta. And we know that derivative of sine theta is cosine theta. And now we can plug in the theta here. So 10 of cosine of pi by 3. This is equal to, take your calculator out, cosine, or you can remember this if you remember the cosine pi by 3. So this is equal to 5 feet per radians. And make sure your calculator is in radians if you don't remember top of your head. And this is your answer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.